My name is Phoebe, and I go to Katherine Albiani Middle School. In my video, I show the process in making sugar cookies. This includes showing the ingredients, making the cookie dough, making the frosting, decorating the cookies, and showing the finished product. I want viewers to learn how to bake sugar cookies, but also how baking works in general. Baking can be a bit messy and imperfect, which is okay. You don't have to be completely perfect to make something good. My role on the production was mainly mixing the ingredients and editing the video. I learned that it takes a lot of dedication and perseverance to create videos like these. I messed up a lot and that was really frustrating, but it was all just a part of the process. I kept trying and eventually made it.
Hello, my name is Phoebe Ricafrente, and today I will be showing you how to make sugar cookies.
Here are the materials you will need for making the sugar cookies. Here are the ingredients you will need for making the cookie dough. And lastly, here are the ingredients you will need for making the frosting.
Before you make your sugar cookies, you must preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit.
First, you need to combine the unsalted butter and the sugar in the mixer. You should beat the butter and sugar until it appears fluffy. Then you should add sour cream and stir it together well. Then you add the egg yolk, egg, and vanilla, and you also stir that together well. Now, in a separate bowl, whisk the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt together. Now, take the combination from the second bowl and pour it into the mixer. Stir this mixture until it is well combined. When you're done, the dough should look like this. The dough will be sticky, so you should wet your hands a little first. Now take small handfuls of the dough, roll them up into a spherical shape, and put them on the tray. Pat them down a bit. It is important to make sure the cookies are fairly far apart from each other so they won't overlap while baking. Now, place the cookies in the oven and bake them for 8 minutes. When 8 minutes is up, take the cookies out of the oven. Now you are done with the cookies. Now that the cookies are done, let's make the frosting. First, cream the soft and unsalted butter for 3 minutes until it looks fluffy. Then, add the pinch of salt and the vanilla extract. Then, slowly add the powdered sugar until the mixture is smooth. Lastly, add heavy cream 1 tablespoon at a time. Now the frosting should look like this. For the food coloring, I chose blue, though you can use any color you'd like. Now, apply the frosting with a rubber spatula. You can also add other decorations such as sprinkles.
Now you're done with your sugar cookies. Enjoy!